Picture na. Layo ay picture. Beware of your head. Just a shortcut. Here. Ako na, ma'am. Ito, this one. Here, this area, yes. 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 Okay lang po yung meron po. Marami pa dyan. Straight lang and turn left, baby. Oh, dito mag-practice pag hindi pa kayo marunong. So, yes. Oh, yes.
One way or two way?
Yes po, one way only. One way chicken, yes. Hindi ako nasasawa dito, honestly.
Napaka-peaceful yung lugar.
But I feel better when I drive by.
Two way, you told me that's
Ay, two way pala. Sorry. Sorry, nabangga kasi ako. Alibay. Daba.
Butterfly cage?
Aha. Sige lang po, diretso. At ito rin ang mga old houses nila, yung mga bahay kubo natin dati. Then may dun sila mga pabahay kubo.
I can see future of you in here, yes.
Ha?
As a tour guide.
Gusto mo toilet? Here is a toilet. Oh, yan. That is the second famous here in Asian City. And then you can borrow Thai costume, 150.
Mele yun sa gate. Nasaan na yung mele yun sa gate?
May ano?
Yung parang open sesame.
Ay, maganda siya maglakad.
Yes po.
Hindi kita nagpipicture dyan.
Yes, marami na pre-up dito.
Here?
Yes, you can park at the right side, please. Go further pa, sir, kasi merong bus. Okay.
Lahat naman ng area is precious.
Dito ang mag-exit.
Parang may punta dito si Anya. Punta ko dress siya. Oo.
Oh, ayan. You can borrow. You can borrow ano?
150 yan.
Meron kami sa
Rent.
Pilipinas.
Dapat ba? Dinala mo, sir.
Doon, no?
Doon, sir. Doon.
This left.
May bus, minibus.
Go straight po.
May bus.
Yeah, and then be careful with the bus. Buti na lang, hindi ako marunong mag-drive.
Bakit? And then? Lekwa.
Left one. Right. Left side, right? My dad.
Marian, Tainay.
No, straight lang.
Yan ang, yan,
Tama.
yan.